Well, this is the inside of a Blaupunkt Nixe radio from the 60s. It's laying upside down. It starts to receive medium wave, long wave and the short wave are not in working order. That has to do with these switches here. So okay, we know there is some life in it. The casing is at this moment drying in the bathroom. I had to clean that out. It's all been, what you can see, in all fairness. Yeah, you see the cracks here, and well, the casing has also a crack. Yeah, these radios were pretty popular in the 60s. They were portable radios, but they could also be used in cars. So you could use it as a car radio. You could actually buy a sleeve for this one, and then you have on the side, I will show that, I'll turn that again, hope you can see it. Here you have the quick connection for in the car. I'll hold it back a bit, like so. So when you connect it into the sleeve, you had your speakers connected and your voltage and stuff like that, and your antenna, because there's also room for an external antenna. But first I'm gonna get rid of this mug. This is a battery acid, and I don't want to leave that on there, so we're gonna take that off, clean the table a bit, and then hopefully we can make it work more efficiently than it does. It receives, but it's not very sensitive. So yeah, quite a task, this one. Taking a brush, and let's start cleaning this mess up. Oh man, ugh. Jesus, what a smell! Oh, crap on that. Jesus, oh crap! Ooh. Oh man! Ooh, this is thick. I wasn't expecting this, but Jesus. Ooh. Well, it's not going off in total. Do I have a take out a, this one seems a bit harder. Oh man, Jesus. Well, most of it is off. I'm gonna clean and take a, like so. Yeah, I need a, I need a drill for this. Jesus, it's all the way through. No, that's not gonna be fixed by hand. No, it's not gonna be fixed by hand. Unfortunately, I don't want to have too much pressure on the plastic. Oh man, Jesus. No, this is no. I have to do that with a drill. It's not coming off. Well, some of it, but well, let's take a moment to clean out the table, and then we go off again. First, I'm gonna fix the switches. Oh Jesus, I'm grabbing the muck again. As you can see, this one and this one are going in, but are the shortwave is not working, and then we have the medium wave. Now you see that it will work, and the long wave. But the long wave, as you can see, I'm dragging the radio around. There's something stuck in there, and I have to clean it. So let's begin at that. The only problem is, when I'm doing that, I also have to take out the speaker. As you can see, I'm turning tablet up. So yeah, it's not an easy radio to work on. Let's put it like that. Well, switches here. Well, the reception is getting a bit better now, but still no shortwave. The radio does not like ground. It does not like that. That's a sure thing. And sometimes it just quits on me. Long wave. There's a lot of the disturbance here. The long wave is working better than the medium wave. And this is then the short wave, but I'm guessing that the oscillator is gone. Yeah, I guess that the oscillator transistor is going out of the blue. I have to turn it around and see if I can measure that up, but no movement in there. Medium wave sometimes has its issues. Line input, that's working. You can hear it, so I can play a record if I want to. Not that I'm going to do that, but the amplifier is working anyway. The only thing that's now not working is the shortwave. And the medium wave needs also some cleaning or adjustment, but because now it's working fine, but in a minute or two it just quits on me. Especially when I'm turning the capacitor all the way down and then up, it falls silent on me. So when it's becoming under the 8, it goes silent. So I need to clean the capacitor once more with a bristle. I'm needing an antenna, otherwise I'm not receiving anything. Not really 100% on, but no. Okay. Well, we have movement in the radio. Well, checking with the Philips radio if the shortwave oscillator is working. And it's working. I'm hearing it a lot on the radio. So yeah, it should do something. I have to figure it out why it's not working. I think that one of the transistors on the end of the front end on the radio is not in the working condition. I'm not hearing anything on the radio itself, but the oscillator is working, so this prints. Is working. So yeah, that's fine. But now I'm going to try to get the shortwave radio to work. So, well, up to the next. Well, there we have the Blaupunkt in its wrapped up casing. Well, here you see the cracks on the front. The top you have seen already, and the back side, well, it's not really much better, as you can see here. Yeah, well, a lot of people would say just toss it in the bin and away with it, but wow, it has its charm. Not everyone is delicate with his radios. That's a thing that you could say about this radio. The Blaupunkt Nixe. The cleaning did not do much help. It is a bit cleaner than it was, but well, okay then. Well, I got it to work. That's a positive thing. But I'm not going to invest too much time in this anymore. I have more projects that are more valuable to be working on. This radio, well, the switch is doing it again. That was broken before I opened it up. It did not receive anything. It does receive long wave and medium wave now, so it was a nice evening with this Blaupunkt. But well, it's gonna go into the collection, and yeah, well, that's about it. Well, trying to repair, and I did it at some point, but not all. But sometimes you have to call it quit, and that's the thing that I'm going to do with this Blaupunkt. But it was, yeah, I had a nice evening, and it was fun to do, and to get it up and running again in some sort. And well, I hope you enjoyed this video about this Blaupunkt radio, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.